Hi guys, this is Utkarsh. Today in this video, I'll be talking about SEO, that is search engine optimization. Well, many of us thinks that search engine optimization is about optimizing search engine, but actually no one can even optimize search engines. So me and my team have derived another term for SEO, that is OCU, and it means optimizing content according to the users that are searching on search engines. So let's take an example of business. Every business have targeted audience, and to reach out that targeted audience you cannot optimize the whole search engine. What you can optimize is the thing that is created by you yourself, that is content. And for optimization of that content you can edit many things that involves into on-page SEO, like your title, meta description, and many other things. So in short, OCU, that is optimization of your content according to the users that are searching on the search engine. That's all. We'll see in the next video.